What is up, guys? Okay, ew, the face I just made is not it, but it is currently 6 a.m. I have to get ready for school because we're like the only school that's having a delay. We're not even having a delay. Anyway, today we're doing our gift exchange. We're doing our gift exchange in the office because all of us are friends in there. And yeah, so I had Olivia. Shout out to you, Olivia. You're like amazing. And I already got her gift and stuff, but I also got the office lady a little Christmas present. I was trying to do something more, I feel like, what do you call that? Meaningful, personal. So basically, my office, she like runs office for our community in our school, and she's like the most awesome person ever. And so she loves the Albanese gummy bears, but she only likes like the grapefruit flavor and the pineapple flavor. So I ordered 5-pound bags of just the grapefruit and pineapple flavor. Anyway, I have to get ready, and then I also said I was going to bring in, I don't want to say what they're called on my YouTube channel, but they're brownies. And you guys know, you see it all over TikTok with the like cookies, Oreos, brownies. You guys know what's going on. Yeah, I don't have to explain it to you. Okay, guys. So, after barging in my mom's room, being so pressed that we don't have a 2-hour delay, my mom's like, Destiny, what are you talking about? You literally have a 2-hour delay. I was like, okay, but no one wanted to text me that and be like, we have a 2-hour delay tomorrow. Now I'm wide awake at 6 a.m. when I literally, school starts at 10:45. Perks of living in Indiana. Perks of it snowing during the winters that you get 2-hour delays when it's like outside. Ooh, it was like a musically movement. I might as well get ready because I have a lot of things that I have to do. So, wait guys, this is going to take me a very long process, but it's only going to take like a second. Hey guys, and we're going to talk. I'm about to go downstairs, and I don't want to say this, but last minute bake my stuff for the gift exchange. I know, I'm a terrible person. I'm like doing this at last minute. I don't have any of my makeup on because it's way too early to be putting makeup on. Anyway, I'm going to go downstairs and do that. And since I'm not going to school, I'm not leaving for school until 10:30. We're just gonna have a little party. Okay guys, so I'm not actually doing it in my kitchen, like, obviously I have to put it in the oven in my kitchen anyway, but I'm saying I'm gonna get it together over here because, you know, god awful lighting in the kitchen this time of day. Anyway, guys, look at the snow outside. Oh my god. Hey, you can't see the snow because you can only see me. Oh my god, I'm gonna open the door. Oh, fun fact, when we first moved into this house, like my family was like gone getting dinner. And if you guys have ever seen Scream, where she has like the openness of her kitchen, and she can see like Scream outside, I literally was like over here and I looked outside and I was like, oh my god. I literally was so scared. Also, you can only see your like reflection. You can't really see like into the whatever. Very, very sketch. Also, I'm opening the door and it's very sketch outside. Anyway. Look at this snow, everybody. So great. You thought. Anyway. Okay, I need to stop doing that. So, the thing is, I know how to make these, but I don't know like what to bake them at or anything like that. So, or how long to bake them. So, that's what I'm gonna be looking at. I'm guessing 365 just like everything else is. Okay, so it says to cover with foil and bake for 30 minutes and then remove it and bake for an additional 15 to 25 minutes. So we're gonna do that. Good thing we have a 2-hour delay, because if not, I would have been in some deep doo-doo trying to make that right now. The oven's already preheated, so first thing I'm gonna do, we have this pan. I'm gonna lay out the cookies on it. And I just washed my hands, so I'm not gonna just, whatever. Good thing Lexi's not here. She'd be eating all of this cookie dough. Because one time, Lexi ate cookie dough and got salmonella. She just ate the whole thing. Okay, I'm gonna try to kind of spread out these cookies because this pan's a little big. So I'm gonna try to like kind of spread out this cookie dough. You guys can't see anything that I'm doing. This is great. This week's finals week. This is great. I really didn't want school to get canceled today, which sounds so like non-high schooler of me, but because today, well, this week is finals week, and I don't want to mess with that. I've already had enough stuff happen to me this past week, and I don't want any more stuff to happen to me. My face looks so red. Ew, what is the matter? My face looks red on camera, and it doesn't look red in real life. I'm trying to like spread these out because I'm just so mad that I feel like these aren't going to spread out. So I'm just going to do that, and then we'll get back for the next part. I somehow got the whole entire cookie dough. I pressed it and pressed it, literally going like this with my thumb. My thumb hurts so bad at the bone right there, but got it to press down. It is currently, what is the time count? 7:33. We're doing great. Next step is to put the Oreos. So here we are. I did not get the family size. Satisfyingly. Okay. So basically what you do is you just like press them down in there. I don't know, there's not really much to do for those. Okay guys, so for reference, I'm kind of telling you guys, Mom, how big is this pan? How big is this pan?
Something like that.
I don't know. This pan is kind of big, and it takes this just regular, like not family size, 2 whole sleeves, like to fill it up. Of course, I don't have it in like these corners right here because like that pan, whatever, but now we're gonna move on to doing the brownie mix. Okay guys, let's put the pan over here for a second. So now we're going to do the brownie mix. So I have the Betty Crocker, just regular milk chocolate, because I didn't want ones like with the chocolate chips in them, you know, like because there's already so much. I accidentally already got the cookie dough that has chocolate chips in it because there was no just regular cookie dough. Also, I just got the like small pack you guys saw, and that like worked with that pan, and if you're using a smaller pan, it's definitely gonna work. Okay. I feel like this week, you know, finals week is going to go by so slow. Oh my God. But it's not very stressful because like almost like my harder classes, I have 3 AP classes that I take. That's not a personality trait. I know, don't attack me, but I have 3 AP classes that I take, and 2 of them are just like simple projects. And then one of them, she literally gave me a front and back cheat sheet. So that's pretty simple. And then I'm not taking my math final, and then I have a human body systems final and a Spanish final, and that's it. It said 3 tablespoons of water. I Googled it and it said it equals a quarter. No. Yeah, I'm right on that. Okay. And then it says we need half a cup of vegetable oil. I'm working on saying oil, taking my time saying it because I've been made fun of for saying oil, so that's great. Okay, now we're going to add this in there. My mom's currently probably watching me like a hawk to make sure I don't put anything on this table.
You're right, don't you?
Okay, and then the last thing we have to do is 2 eggs. Also, I just want to talk about how we keep on buying eggs at the store when we have 3 things of them. Ready, guys? ASMR. And it's an essential thing to buy in a snowstorm. How?
Eggs, bread, milk.
And be me. Okay. Now let's mix it. Okay, guys. Brownie batter is all mixed up. Now we're gonna bring the pan back in and just pour this all over it. This is basically just like diabetes in a pan. So this is like what you see all over TikTok. I'm pretty sure I already said that, but it is. You know, it's that TikTok treat that all the girls make at the sleepover with their like matching Christmas pajamas. I can't talk crap because I mean I'm making it right now, but also I made the one thing that everyone saw over the summer with like you put the chocolate in the bottom of the pan and then you put marshmallows in and you like heat it up for 5 minutes. I also did that, so can't really say anything. Okay guys, this is what we're looking like. So I'm gonna throw foil on top of it, bake it for 30 minutes, and then take the foil off, bake it for another like 15 minutes, and then we'll see the results. Okay guys, so my mom took it out of the oven. I don't know why it's doing this like weird thing with the Oreos. Like it's cooked, but it's like, I don't know, showing the circles? I don't know, but I'm gonna let it cool and then we'll cut it up. Hey guys, so I baked my stuff and I cut it up and put it in the box and everything. I didn't show the rest of it because I mean that wasn't very interesting for me to show. So now I am going to like get dressed, do my makeup, and then we're going to leave. It is 10:20. I need to leave for school in like a few minutes and I really need chapstick though. And I really need to have my makeup on like in 5 minutes, like full face in 5 minutes. Okay guys, so let me give you guys a little recap on what happened after I got home from school. So once I got home from school, well, I had to go somewhere with my mom after school. And then once I got home from that, it was like probably 6 o'clock. And then I decided to, my dad was out hunting and I decided to shovel the driveway for him. So that's what I did. And then I came back in and I ate dinner. And now I'm going to do some of my homework for finals. And then I'm going to watch some Sugar Rush Christmas Edition. I love that show. Fun fact about me, if I have absolutely like, well, sometimes I just watch it because I want to, but if I have nothing else to watch, like nothing else even looks appealing to me, like on YouTube, on anything, then I will watch Sugar Rush because I love that show so much. I just love baking shows. Yeah, so I'm going to do that. There's nothing else that I think I'm going to do tonight. Hopefully I get a 2-hour delay in the morning because finals week sucks enough. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, which hit that like button down below. That's what that means. And if you like me, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell at the side to be notified when I upload. I have been trying to upload every single day of December, but I want you guys to like sympathize with me. If you guys are in high school, you know that finals week, especially like preparing for finals week, and I've had a lot of personal stuff going on in my life right now that I cannot talk about right now, and I will not be talking about right now, but just know that like I'm not making this up in any way. I've just been going through a lot right now. And then school has been very, very hard recently. I'm going to be trying to do a video still every day this week since I won't be having like actual homework. It'll just be like me trying to study for finals and me trying to juggle YouTube and me trying to juggle everything. So if it feels like that, I am sorry guys, but I'm trying my hardest and I love you guys. I just want to let you guys know that I love you. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.